materials, intelligent manufacturing systems, smart mobility, biomedicine and medical technology. These are the main fields in which we pursue research, development and innovation in the Pilsen region. Create your future with us. Innovate with us. Our region has a history of innovation. Important trade routes have always led through here. The first book was printed here. The first electric lamp was lit. We've seen dynamic developments in transport and new fields of medicine. Two of the world's leading brands, Skoda and Pilsner Urquell, were created here. We are successfully continuing this tradition. We are a region with traditionally strong industrial players, innovative companies, and major university institutions and successful research centres. But we're not just an industrial region. You can spend your free time wandering through the countryside or visiting historical and industrial monuments. You can be active or relax with great food and great beer. There's something for everyone. Here in the Pilsen region, we're involved in materials engineering. Research into metallic materials, 3D printed machine tools, special steels, the research and application of thermal spraying, and new technologies for the forming and heat treatment of metals for mechanical engineering and the automotive and energy industries. For example, if you ever come across a smart window which controls the amount of thermal solar radiation passing through depending on temperature thanks to a special coating, this patent originates from research at our university. Manufacturing, power plants and industry in the Czech Republic and abroad use intelligent control systems designed by engineers from innovative companies from the Pilsen region. The university's Research Technology Centre is developing completely new applications for contactless thermal imaging measurement, and not only for industry. Sophisticated computers that are built into medical devices are saving people's lives, and they're also being used in industry, transport and aviation. Smooth running. Let's take a look at another rapidly developing field, smart mobility. But we're not talking about just developing new electric drive systems. This is about a whole range of technological innovations for the operation and management of urban traffic, wireless charging, autonomous systems testing, and transmission development. One leading field we're dedicated to is biomedicine. This focuses on research and development in the fields of organ replacement and regeneration. This includes research into the prevention of viral infections after kidney transplantation, as well as research into antibiotic resistance. Specialist software is helping to diagnose and treat liver cancer as sensitively as possible. Software and diagnostics are also helping to prevent transport, medical, and sports injuries. Create your future with us. Utilize the potential of the Pilsen region. In practice, in research, at the university. There will always be innovation. Let's succeed together in the world. Innovate with us. The Pilsen region, the best place for innovation.